In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix product page layout issues in Shopify Dawn theme. Layout problems in Dawn usually come from a mix of custom code, CSS overrides, unusual images, or third-party apps. To fix them without risking your live store, we'll move through a safe, methodical process and confirm each change as we go. Start by creating a backup. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes, Open Actions, and choose Duplicate. Work on the duplicate theme so you always have a clean fallback. Use the preview option to check changes before publishing, and keep your live theme untouched until you're confident. Next, test with a clean version of Dawn. Temporarily switch to a fresh, unmodified copy, or reset your duplicate back to its original state. If the product page looks correct in the fresh version, you've confirmed the issue is in your customizations or apps, not Dawn itself. If it still breaks, you're likely dealing with content or media settings. If you recently added apps that inject content into product pages, like bundles, reviews, swatches, or upsells, disable them one by one and recheck the layout. Many layout conflicts come from injected elements, or CSS, that override Dawn's grid. Also review any custom JavaScript or CSS you've added. Even a single rule with an aggressive width or position can push elements out of place. Now look at product media. Extremely wide images or unusual aspect ratios can distort the gallery and push columns off the page. Test with standard sizes, square or 4:3, and see if the layout normalizes. In the theme customizer, check media options like Constrain Media to screen height. Toggling this can resolve unexpected stretching or stacking. If you notice horizontal scrolling or a white gutter on mobile, add a small CSS safeguard. In your theme's custom CSS or base style sheet, include HTML body/overflow x hidden product page main content page width max width 100 VDW important. This prevents any element from exceeding the viewport. Then use your browser's Inspect tool to identify which specific element is overflowing, often a missized image, a custom block, or a rule like width, 100 VW applied inside padded containers. Finally, review any manual theme edits. In sections, snippets, or assets, look for unclosed divs, stray braces, or misplaced tags around the product gallery, price, or variant blocks. Compare your files with the original Dawn version and temporarily revert suspicious changes. Even tiny syntax errors can break the layout. By backing up first, testing a clean theme, isolating apps and custom code, normalizing media, patching overflow, and verifying your edits, you'll systematically bring your product pages back into shape.